A lot of our brass articles already have some lovely edged design. I was trying to come up with a way of enhancing that design and making it more beautiful. So we are going to try if this idea works by using this plate. I'm using an acrylic paint marker in white because I realized black takes away too much of the brass color and white really enhances the design. So what we are doing here is slowly going over that edged design with the white marker. This one is a 4 mm one, so it's a nice thick line that we're getting here. This test is to see if the paint holds on and if this is usable. Of course, it won't be usable for edible purposes. You can put flowers and use it for decoration. You can't put anything edible on this directly because of the acrylic paint. I'm more interested in putting these designs on pots that can be seen at eye level. So this is just an experiment with a platter because we have a ready design here. As you can see, we've drawn out our outline. It looks pretty good. Acrylic paint marker, you cannot touch it maybe 5 minutes into drawing it. And then it's dry to the touch and it's good. So we're just adding a little more details. Once we figured that this actually works, we decided why not add more details and see if we can enhance the existing design. If you have old brass plates which are absolutely pristine looking but cannot be used, this is a great hack if you want to hang them on the wall and highlight the design on top of it. You can see that the subtle white on the brass background looks absolutely stunning. I think what this needs is a little something in the center of the flower. And with that, our test is complete and we are ready to take it to the other decorators. You might have seen this pot, the larger pot, in the Diwali Decor video, but did you notice that it has some beautiful bird and flower details on it? Unfortunately, the etching on this brass is not very visible, even from like a 3 feet distance. You know, there is some design going on there, but you don't really see it that much. So we are going to use our acrylic marker on this and see how it looks. If you have an absolutely plain pot, maybe you could trace a design or draw some kolam on it. It'll look absolutely gorgeous. So here is our pot in the middle of our table mess. As you can see, you could hardly see the details of the design on it. On this, I'm using something called Levins Acrylic painter. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it anywhere online, but you could use Posca, or there's also a Camel one, or of a brand called Brustro. I got mine from a local stationery shop. It cost me around 60 rupees per pen. Camel also is around that price point, but the other two that you find online are almost 1 to 1.5 times more than that. This is also a 4 mm tip. If you watch the Madhubani dining table video, the details on the Madhubani were drawn from a 0.7 acrylic marker. That's 0.7 millimeter. Now, does this wash away with water? No, it doesn't. Does it wash away with soap? For the first time, it didn't. So probably if you are washing it 3, 4, 5 times, then it would probably wash off. So what can be used to remove the paint marker? You could use nail polish remover, which is your acetone. I asked Google if acetone reacts with brass. So here is what it had to say. No, acetone does not react with brass in a harmful way. It is often used to clean or strip lacquer from brass surfaces without damaging the metal itself. It is a good solvent for removing lacquer contaminants and grime and is often used as a preliminary step before the cleaning or polishing method. So no, acetone does not react with brass, but what you do need to know that it produces a certain amount of heat when it rubs off the acrylic paint. So here you can see the birds that were not visible for us have started to appear now. This is a vintage brass pot that I bought from Chitrakala Parishad. Whenever there is an exhibition in Chitrakala Parishad, there is a lady who comes from Chettinad. She has a whole lot of brass things. I found this pot from her probably a decade ago or something, or more than that. And some of the old pots really have beautiful designs, but over time the etching has worn off or dulled up. And this is a lovely way to revive it, even if you want to keep it just for a festival season and take it off. Here we decided to add some more details to enhance the bird design. I'm going to keep this pot as is and post many different colored flowers in this for a while. You don't need to be an artist to do this, you just need a steady hand and some patience. The full reveal of this I will show you in the end with all the styling. If you remember, I also have a large brass biryani plate, which is also a vintage one. You might have seen them in my brass cleaning videos and all. This also has some very beautiful designs etched in it, and we are going to try and enhance that too. I'm going to spare you the drawing and let's get into the styled video. The brass plate turned out to be a lot more beautiful than I had imagined it to be. All we did was traced on it on its existing design with an acrylic pen, and it looks so beautiful. The brass and the white are just match made in heaven. You can also experiment with different sizes. Like I've used 4mm tip. You can combine 4mm with 0.7mm or 3mm and have lines that are of different thickness to enhance the design of your brass article, and I'm sure it'll look as beautiful as ever. And the best part is anybody with zero brush skills can do this art. Just trace around an existing design with a pen. The pot, however, is my favorite. I'm going to hunt for more pots with good details to do this. I think it turned out really beautiful, and the birds and the flower detail in the middle looks gorgeous. Maybe I need to take the design a wee bit down and complete the design there, but I'm very happy with how this turned out, and this idea works 100%. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.